Here, we're messing. Oh, we're messing, okay? Totally cool. Yes, sir, yes. Everyone's like, what are you doing, John? Play that guitar. I'm serious, my microphone's weak. Yes. The microphone is now my level. You know what Frozen Let It Go? It's like, let it go. I need to get out of my shell. Let me go. No, I'm not letting you go, God. I'm messing with you. Like, what is on? I'm on water, okay? I'm always drinking water. Oh my God, stop. The Silent Raindrops. Hit the floor, people pass with no concern. The silent raindrops hit the floor. There's people alone in this world. Can you feel the magic in the air? The stars light up the atmosphere. Can you feel the greatness in tonight? Let's all come together to win this fight. Can you feel the magic? Let's all come together to win this fight. Standing strong, we are alive. Marching on, like warriors tonight. Standing strong, we are alive. Marching on, like warriors tonight. Let's go! It's an original Jedward song. It's an OG. It's an OG, like an original. It's like a gangster, like kind of. Anyway, it's our 4th album, okay? And Silent Raindrops, it's like be in the club, be like, yeah, I'm down with this. John, what's happening? Are you wearing the jacket or no jacket? I'm wearing a jacket. Yeah? So we're gonna put the microphone next to the logo. Woo! I hold your microphone. Yo, what's up? It's John. Yeah. Hey, what's up, David? Hey, it's John. Hey, it's David. What's up, baby?
Yeah, I'm doing okay, Jack. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You good?
Yeah, you get on stage and tell me.
Did you change your jacket? Yeah, you changed your jacket. Where are you talking to yourself? I don't know.
Yeah, touch the microphone.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay.
let's take this back to old school, yo.